So I'm still up on the road, but we have to talk about the restaurant. Now this restaurant is called Thyme on the River. On the inside, I love the aesthetic. Only thing I didn't like, the floors weren't clean. Well, clean enough on this day. But everything above the floor was great. Now for the menu, you don't know I got oxtail. Just to see if them can pull off the Jamaican oxtail. Now for appetizer, I got jerk chicken egg roll. To see what it's about. Never had that before. So this is what the jerk chicken egg roll looks like. Very flaky and full of flavor. It also comes with a sauce where you can dip it into. Mind you, this is very spicy, but not spicy to the point where you cannot enjoy it. The expression tells it all, right? That's a cool. So if you look on the inside of this thing, you can see the seasoning, you can see the cabbage, and you can see the jerk sauce. Yeah, well done. Now as for the oxtail, it is not your traditional Jamaican oxtail, but with their own twist on it, it tastes just as good. It had flavor, the meat was soft. It's not a traditional rice and peas either, but man, not lie, it go with the oxtail. As for the mac and cheese, not to my liking, but this oxtail, boy, I love it. They didn't cut off the fat still, all of the fat, so it was pretty much alright for me, because I kind of like the fat part, man. But that flavor hits. As for the Rasta pasta, there's not much to say, but get there.